Max is all up in the camera right now, y'all. Sorry about that. So, just a little while ago, I got a message from our lovely friend here. I big and plump, you know. And he said he wanted me to eat some dessert for him. Now, y'all know, for any of you who are really truly fans, everybody knows Tuesday is my laundry day, and because I'm so big, it takes me a long time to do laundry. That's not what he needed to hear nor there. So excuse the fact that I'm still wearing this thing. Well, I've used this again. As I'm wearing this again, I washed it, and so I had to put it back on because it's laundry day, and I have to wear something. I can't be in this video butt naked. Whatever. So anyway. So he says he wants me to eat some dessert. So he sends me the money. You know, he sponsors this video. Hi, Troy, how you doing? We got a dessert. Just came in. Super excited. Nom, 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 nom. Oh my God. Look how pretty that came. Can't wait to eat that. That looks so delicious. So I got that, and I'm trying to keep this together because this way, when I put everything in the garbage and recyclable bins, you know I believe in recycling. Got myself a. We can't tell you what it is, but I'm sure you know already. Can't tell you what it is. I don't know how those trademark things work. But anyway. So because we can't tell you what it is, I'm guessing. I'm just gonna use some of these my bobbers so that you can't tell what it is. I don't know. YouTube's being funny. People complaining about it. No, don't take this down, YouTube. I didn't mean it. I'm just a guinea pig. So, anyways, this company, mysterious name. I can feel it on my fingers. It's everywhere. So my clothes. I have to wash this again. But you get batter that you want, and then you add. See what I got? It's called Mine. And you get this batter, and then you get to choose what you want in it. So far, had to make a big dent there. It was melting everywhere. Okay. Sorry about that, y'all. It's a hot day today, so melty, melty, melty. Oh. God dang it. I hate when they have their name like 1,000 different places. Cause it's like, I'm not supposed to put this in the video. But anyways, so I got banana ice cream. Then I got Snickers, almonds, and caramel. Because you get to choose 3 toppings, and then they mix it all up and put it all together, all cute and sweet. And you get it. To eat. These things are amazing. Me and my mom usually get these. And like, she gets a smaller one. And she doesn't even finish it. I get this and I'm like, oops. You can really taste the caramel in the banana ice cream. Hello? I'm doing my YouTube video. That's why I have the thing unplugged. And then I'll come back on. I'm sorry. Just give me a few minutes. Thank you. Sorry, the gaming boys are going crazy tonight. You know, we got some gaming stuff to do. What's that? All that. It's like whipping. I was gonna get the little sprinkle cone. I find it's just distracting sometimes. I never had those cookie ice creams before. I thought to myself, okay, I'm gonna tell Troy, I'm gonna put him on the list, and if Troy's okay with getting them, I'm gonna get it. Because I really wanted to try it, so. Somebody asked me, why don't you do vlogging? Who the heck wants to see my big butt sitting here playing video games, answering messages from people, and trying to figure out how to not screw up on YouTube? I'm looking for my I just had, oh, there it is. So yeah, I'm trying to learn how to edit and all that stuff. I had edited a few. I'm trying to plug in my laptop here. Oh, did I not get the home? Oh, there it goes. Sorry, y'all. So I tried editing a few videos and they came out okay, but I'm having so much trouble. The last editor I was using completely broke on me. Well, it's not working. So I need a new one. So if anybody has any good free editor programs that are easy to use, that's the shit about now. It's such a hot day. I'm like worried that my cookies are gonna melt. I don't want my ice cream to melt either. What is that? Oh, that's an almond joy. It wasn't Snickers, it was almond joy, y'all. It was almond joys. But whatever. I love me some almond joys too. I just had a piece of the almond joy and a banana. Yeah, I'll try it. I know a lot of people who watch these are always on diets and they like to live vicariously through people like me who eat because they're always on diets and stuff. But just try it, even if it's just a scoop. You know what you do? You buy one of these. Sorry, y'all. You buy one of these, right? Because you're on a diet, you can't eat a lot. Take a couple bites and then just leave it at your friend's house. especially if you're a pie-headed friend. We're good about them. I noticed in my life, you tell a piehead, hey, I don't want to finish this. You want to eat it? They're like, yep. Oh, this is so good. I at least want to try one of those cookies. Because I think I want to have save one for dinner later. Save two for dinner later. Oh, it looks so good. I had the variety pack too. So all four is different. The kid in me wants to try those sprinkles so bad. But the fatty in me wants to try the double chocolate. Mm. You know, I've seen a girl commented on one of my videos. Girls, if you're out there, comment. I love it when girls comment. Because I feel like sometimes girls don't support people like me. Like, I'm not talking about like money wise. I'm talking like just to be there and watch content and enjoy. They don't really do that. So it would really be nice if girls reached out more. I think it would encourage other girls to do the same thing. A long time ago, I was on, I can't remember what site it was, but a girl messaged me and she was using a boy account. She said she was using it because she felt weird being a girl, looking at other girls. Yeah, I'm gotta be weird. I do it all the time. I really truly do. I do it all the time. I don't know if that's the bisexual in me or I just like looking at girls. Mm. Oh, it's starting to melt. The bottom. That's how much I got left, y'all. But the bottom is starting to melt. Here's the thing. Some restaurants are so expensive. I hate that. Because you don't want to take a chance on it. Because, like, what if you don't have you spend $30 on a meal and then the stuff is really crappy? I don't know. Sometimes it's hard to decide. Because I'm like, I need a feeder. This way, if we eat something we don't like, it's okay. Feeder pay for it. I just don't like closed-minded feeders. I always hate them. Like, ew, you should only eat stuff with a whole bunch of calories in it. I like salad too. You know what I like? The salads that I like antipasto with the pepperoni. It's really good. Or speedy salad, which has like chunks and chunks of meat in it. I can't eat just like a regular salad, but if it has like good stuff in it, I like them. But for some people, like some feeders are just like, oh, you can't eat burps is great. It's like, what? Why? It's food. And since I didn't get this big by taking those dumb gain weight shakes, I got this big by food. Natural food. As I'm I'm a foodie before anything. And I think you gotta be a foodie to like food and to get like big, you know? And it used to be like that. I'm like, the fat world used to be combined of a lot of people who had like the common interest of food. Nowadays, you get people on there and they just seem like they're there for the wrong reasons. And we like force themselves to eat those shakes and those drinks just because they think it's a quick and easy way. But being this is a lifestyle, I think some people don't get that. Some people just wanna. It's like when you're an artist, you can't just take a magic drink, a whole bunch, and then have great music. No, you gotta perfect your craft. And I'm not saying that this is a craft, but I'm saying. There's some people who just miss out on a whole bunch of great moments and gaining, you know? But yeah, I've been doing this for 16, 17 years now. And girls nowadays won't know how fun it was back then. You actually had fat parties, and there was fat stupid like people who had plus size clothing for bigger girls would hold these events, and you would wear the clothes. They had clothes you could try on, and then they would just steam them and clean them later. And you walk around in these nice clothes and model them off for everybody. It was a fun old time. A lot of people made sales and that ran the parties, made a whole bunch of sales money, and girls were happy. It was a lot of food and it was a lot of fun. And you don't do that nowadays. Nowadays it's like, oh well, I'm doing YouTube and you can't do anything with me because whatever, whatever, whatever. I just miss those fun times. It wasn't about money or followers. It was just about fun and people who loved food. But then again, back when I was younger, it was kind of taboo to date a big girl. Or people would make fun of people all the time for being around us, and things like that. Mm. I think that's why like a lot of gay people, transsexual people, furries, they always hung around us a lot. And I think they were taboo just as much as we were. You know, every time like I remember back in '90 some, I can't remember what year was it, so long ago. People used to always say that fact that this girl who was as big as I am now. No, she's since lost a lot of weight and everything, but I remember people used to pick on her. Ask her questions like, when is the circus coming to town? When are you growing your beard back out? Stuff like that. It's so taboo to be big. Now girls are doing it just to get a paycheck. Don't get me wrong. You make more money now. But I still wish it was fun. And back to the real feeders. Like, nowadays people will try to just play around and not actually feed you or visit. Well, most of these guys are like, oh, I've seen a cartoon, but a belly on the floor. It's like, okay. Well, I only have an almond in there, so I think I'm done. This guy the other day messaged me, and very rudely and disgustingly, by the way, I might add, and asked me if I could die to eat. He would pay me money to just sit there and eat till I died. Like, what the heck is wrong with you? Just because we're big doesn't mean we don't want to leave the house every time soon or have fun. That after ice cream reminds me of a good root beer float. Oh. And no, I'm not drinking alcohol. It's soda. It's just whenever you eat ice cream and then you eat soda, it's a very burpy combination. So I apologize to those of you who get offended by burping. Hey, they. One thing I don't like about burping is that you get the day before's meal into your burp. Should I try one of these? They look so good. Thinking if I should try it. Okay. The 4 ice cream in here is Kiss and Tell chocolate, cake batter sprinkles, perfect duet, chocolate chromium. Come on, guys. That is amazing. I'm trying to settle my belly first. Hold on, let me settle my belly and then I'll be right back. 2 minutes. Okay, go potty. Oh. Alright, y'all. I thought my stomach was gonna calm down, but girls, it is bubbling. They gave me these extra spoons too. So anyway. Just want to say shout outs to Troy again. Thank you so much for buying me some dessert. I sent you a picture of the cookies I didn't get to eat on the video. I will be sending you a video of me eating the cookies later for you through Kick. If y'all want to sponsor a video or donate money just to grub out, y'all know, just hit me up at bigandplump@gmail.com. BIGNPLUMP@gmail.com. As always, like, subscribe. That's probably Trey right now. He looking at it. I know he's looking at it. That's Trey right now. Trey, I made this unedited. I only paused it for a minute. Just so I go to the bathroom. And then, let's see. I wish I could. Oh, okay. Hold on, message him back. But yeah, anyways, if you want to sponsor a video like Troy or other people have, Troy has sponsored too. So Troy, this is love from me to you, and you know I appreciate you supporting me. Thank you. This is the second video he's made. The other one was the pizza video, the pizza mukbang. So yeah, Troy, we love you. Anyway, so if you guys want to sponsor, ask about buying videos and things like that, you can do that anytime. I just gave you the email. Let's say it again. BIGNPLUMP@gmail.com. So I do appreciate you guys, and I do hope you enjoy this. Subscribe. Watch. And if you guys do want to see those vlogs, let me go hold up this baby girl. Hello, Gabby. 1 second. One second, Gabby. 1 second, darling. So anyways, like I said, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next mukbang later.